Today's spring math topic is substitution to solve a linear equation. So if you notice the setup for all of these, the top equation is already solved for y. All right, so because the variable is by itself in that situation, that means we are allowed to substitute what y equals in for y anytime we see it. So when we see y is 6x minus 17, that means we can put 6x minus 17 in for this y. If this y is 10x minus 102, we're allowed to substitute it in for y in the other equation. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So instead of x plus y equals 11, we're going to say x plus 6x minus 17 equals 11. And now we have an equation that has just one variable, so we're going to solve this equation for x. So we're going to start by combining like terms. X plus 6x is 7x. And now we need to solve for x. So to solve for x, we're going to use our inverse operations. We need to get rid of subtraction first. So add 17 to both sides. We get 7x equals 28. And we divide by 7, so x equals 4. But obviously, we need a y as well. All right, so to figure out what y, we're going to use substitution again. But since y is already solved for in this equation, it makes the most sense to use this one. So we're literally going to substitute again. Oops, sorry. So since we know x is 4, substitute 4 in for x, and then just follow the order of operations. 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 minus 17 is 7. So y equals 7. Now we could have used the other equation if we wanted to. We could have had 4 plus y equals 11, and then all we would have to do is subtract 4, and we still see y equals 7. So it doesn't matter which equation you use, you're going to get the same answer. And you'll notice that all of these are set up the same way. So we'll do one more example. So because y equals 10x minus 102, we'll substitute that into the other equation for y. So instead of y, we'll have 10x minus 102 equals negative 3. Same concepts, you're going to combine the like terms. 11x minus 102 equals negative 3. We're going to add 102 to both sides because addition is the inverse operation of subtraction. So we get 11x equals 99. And then the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So we divide by 11, and it turns out that x is 9. And then I'm going to actually use this other equation, honestly, because they're smaller numbers. All right. If we put 9 in for x, we're going to get some big numbers. So like I said, it doesn't matter which equation we use. So when x plus y equals negative 3, I'm just going to go ahead and substitute 9 in for x. And to get y by itself, I would subtract 9. So x is negative 12. So we get x equals 9 and y equals negative 12.